Hi everyone, this is the new LG K40, and in this video we're going to check out some hidden features that you can find with the device. Follow me on Instagram at KevinBreezeTV. Please join the Kevin Breeze Tech community on Facebook to chat about budget smartphones, ask questions, and help others. Now, if you have the screen off on the phone and you want to quickly take a photo, you can double tap on the volume down and you'll instantly launch the camera. Another cool hidden feature is located in the camera settings. So once you're in the camera app, go to the gear. Once you tap on the gear, you'll see an option that says cheese shutter. They have some buzzwords here so that you can automatically take a photo. So one of them is cheese. So once you turn that on and you go to the camera, all you have to do is say cheese and it takes the photo automatically. Another cool thing is that you can use the volume up or the volume down as a shutter button on the phone. And if you hold the volume up or volume down for a period of time, you'll turn on burst photo mode. So that's pretty cool. You can take a screenshot by holding the volume down and the power button at the same time. So there you go, it takes the screenshot. And then to access the screenshot, you can either go to your gallery app or pull down the shade and you'll see the screenshot there. Then from there, you can tap on the screenshot itself to view it and edit it. You can tap on delete or you can tap on share. So tapping on the screenshot pulls it up here, set it to open at the gallery all the time. And then from here, down at the bottom, there's an edit button. And once you're in this editing mode, you can crop, you can rotate, you can do whatever you want with that image. Now, if you're tired of the typical LG layout, you can change the theme on the device. I'm sure many of you are used to changing the wallpaper on your phone, but by changing the theme, you can take things to the next level. Hold your finger on the home screen until this pops up, and then tap on wallpaper and theme. And then from here, you'll see wallpapers in the far left, which there are a bunch of wallpapers that are both free and paid that you can access through here. But you can also go to theme, and then from here you can see paid themes, which of course cost money, but there's also the top free themes. So there's all kinds of different themes available here for free, so you can go ahead and download those at your convenience. But the device also comes with one theme that's already pre-installed, so for the sake of saving some time here, I'm going to show you this one. So I tapped on apply, it's applying the theme. And then we'll go home here. And as you can see, things look way different here on the device. So that's pretty cool. Now you can easily revert back to the normal theme by tapping on the normal theme and then tap on apply and it'll apply that change. And now you can see that everything is back to normal. In addition to that, you can download custom icons if you'd like, and there's some here that are paid, but there's also free icons available, so you can change all of your icons on the device, assuming that they have a custom icon for all of the apps that you've downloaded. I'm sure for some of the more popular apps like Facebook and Instagram and Twitter, they have custom icons for that. But then if you download some lesser used apps or less popular apps, then they probably won't have icons for those. But still a cool thing for you to check out. Now, one thing that LG does with their phones that I'm not a big fan of is that they don't have a app drawer button by default on here. So by default, things operate more like an iPhone where the apps just show up on your main home screen as you download them. I don't like that. That's one of my favorite features of Android actually, is having the app drawer. And it's something that I really wish iOS would implement as well. But what you can do is tap on settings, go to display, go to home screen, then from here tap on select home. And you'll see an option here that says home and app drawer. So tap on that and then tap on OK. And you'll see that we now have an app drawer button. And you can actually access the app drawer by swiping up, or you can tap on that button and it'll pull up all of your different applications. So if there's some applications that you don't use quite as often and you don't want them on your home screen, then you'll still be able to find them in your app drawer. So it kind of helps you organize things a little bit better. Another cool hidden feature that you might not know about is how to easily go back to your most previous app. So instead of tapping on the multitasking button and seeing all of your different applications here, all you have to do is just double tap on that multitasking button and it'll take you back to your most previously used application. So from the gallery, let's go over to settings. And then if I wanted to go back to the gallery, I just double tap on that button and it'll take me right back to gallery. So this concludes my hidden features video about the LG K40. I'm definitely interested to hear what you think of these hidden features and if you plan on using them. And if you have the LG K40, I'd love to know in the comment section below. If you're on the fence about buying one, then definitely take a look at my LG K40 review video on the channel. And also check out my various comparisons that I've done between the LG K40 and its main competitors out there. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.